Some cars are built to last a lifetime. Others, well, they barely make it out of the dealership before something breaks. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive nightmares. Vehicles so unreliable that even their owners would rather take the bus. From luxury flops to economy disasters, buckle up as we explore the most unreliable cars ever made. Number 1. Range Rover. Let's start with the poster child of unreliable vehicles, Range Rover. If you thought we'd begin anywhere else, think again. This British SUV has built a legacy of breakdowns, air suspension failures, and electrical gremlins. A UK-based warranty provider even ranked it as one of the worst used cars to buy, with Range Rover models consistently dominating the bottom of reliability charts. Owners frequently report costly repairs, with air suspension failures being one of the most common and expensive issues. Electrical malfunctions plague infotainment systems, climate controls, and even the power windows. The transmission isn't immune either, with rough shifts and premature failures reported across various models. Despite its premium price tag, quality control often feels like an afterthought. If you plan to own one outside of warranty, get ready to make your mechanic your new best friend. Even newer models, despite claimed improvements, still suffer from glitches and random breakdowns. So, is it worth the prestige? Maybe, if you enjoy living on the edge. Number 2. Nissan Altima. Next up, the Nissan Altima, specifically pre-2016 models. This car is infamous for one thing, its continuously variable transmission, or CVT. If you've never experienced the horror of driving an Altima with a failing CVT, let me paint a picture for you. One moment, you're cruising down the road. The next, it feels like your car is having an exorcism. The transmission? Gone. Your hopes and dreams? Also gone. Early CVTs suffered from overheating issues, leading to premature failure. Many owners experienced loss of acceleration, stuttering, and complete transmission failure before reaching 100,000 miles. Nissan initially ignored the problem, later extending warranties due to widespread complaints. Repair costs often exceed the car's value, forcing many to simply scrap them. CVT fluid needs frequent changes, but even that doesn't guarantee longevity. Altima models from the mid-2000s to mid-2010s are some of the most problematic. Nissan has improved newer CVTs, but confidence remains low among buyers. The Sentra and Versa also suffer from similar CVT failures. Meanwhile, your friend who bought a Toyota is enjoying life. Funny how that works. And it's not just the Altima. The Nissan Versa and Sentra also suffer from this mechanical plague. Nissan has improved their CVTs since 2016, but that doesn't explain why Altima drivers still seem to have the most wrecked-looking cars on the road. Number 3. Reliant Robin. From an unreliable transmission to an unreliable number of wheels, let's talk about the Reliant Robin. With only 3 wheels, this British oddity was a loophole-exploiting machine, classified as a motorcycle to avoid taxes. But who cares about taxes when your car tips over every time you turn? This thing wasn't just unreliable, it was borderline dangerous. Imagine driving a car that flips over if you so much as sneeze. 60,000 of these were sold, meaning there were 60,000 people who thought, yeah, I can make this work. Spoiler, they couldn't. The single front wheel made turning unstable at any speed. It had a fiberglass body that did little in terms of safety. Owners reported constant electrical failures, with lights and indicators frequently malfunctioning. The tiny 850cc engine struggled to keep up with traffic, making it a hazard on the road. It was known for frequent engine overheating due to poor cooling design. The suspension was laughably weak, causing a bumpy and unpredictable ride. Despite its faults, it gained a cult following for its quirkiness. Still, if reliability is a priority, this is not the car for you. Number 4. Jeep Cherokee Electrical Nightmare. The Jeep Cherokee, particularly the 2014-2016 models, was plagued with serious electrical and transmission issues. Its 9-speed automatic transmission was notorious for jerky shifts, delayed responses, and sometimes refusing to shift at all. Many owners faced unexpected power loss, making driving dangerous and unpredictable. Electrical problems extended to essential systems like power locks, infotainment, and dashboard displays, leading to frustration. Some experienced infotainment screens freezing or rebooting randomly. The combination of unreliable electronics and drivetrain failures made it one of Jeep's worst models. Costly repairs and multiple recalls only worsened its reputation. Despite Jeep's rugged branding, the Cherokee left many owners stranded and regretting their purchase. Number 5. Mini Cooper. Cute but costly. The Mini Cooper may be fun to drive and stylish, but its maintenance costs are a nightmare. Early 2000s models suffered from frequent engine problems, including timing chain failures that led to catastrophic damage. Oil leaks were common, often going unnoticed until major engine repairs were needed. Transmission failures added to the list of expensive issues, with many owners facing complete gearbox replacements. The compact design made repairs difficult, leading to high labor costs. Even simple fixes could turn into costly headaches due to its complex engineering. While it delivers a spirited driving experience, owning one outside of warranty is financially draining. Many enthusiasts love the Mini, but they don't love the repair bills that come with it. Number 6. Fiat 500. Fix it again. Tony, the Fiat 500's return to the US market was short-lived, and for good reason. Poor build quality meant that rattles, squeaks, and failing components appeared early in its lifespan. The transmission was weak, often struggling with shifts or outright failing, leaving many owners stranded. Electrical issues, from dashboard malfunctions to sensor failures, made reliability a major concern. The engine's durability was questionable, with many requiring costly repairs far sooner than expected. Recalls plagued the model, but even after fixes, new problems continued to emerge. Resale value tanked as word spread about its reliability issues. While it had a stylish and compact design, its mechanical problems made it one of the least dependable small cars on the market. Number 7. Volkswagen Jetta. The costly German. The Volkswagen Jetta may carry a premium European badge, but its reliability left much to be desired. Turbocharged models had severe oil consumption issues, forcing owners to constantly top up their engines. Electrical problems ranged from malfunctioning lights to unresponsive infotainment systems, making daily use frustrating. Transmission failures led to rough shifting and costly replacements, adding to ownership woes. The suspension system wore out faster than expected, requiring expensive repairs. Even minor issues were costly due to high parts and labor prices, making maintenance a financial burden. While it offered solid driving dynamics, the long-term costs outweighed the initial appeal. Many buyers who expected German engineering found themselves dealing with endless repair bills instead. Number 8. BMW 7 Series. Luxury headache. The BMW 7 Series was supposed to be the pinnacle of luxury, but it turned into a financial black hole for many owners. Early 2000s models were notorious for electronic failures, from glitchy infotainment systems to complete dashboard shutdowns. The air suspension system, while smooth when functional, frequently broke down and cost thousands to repair. Engine problems were also common, leading to expensive repairs that could make owners question keeping the car. The complexity of its technology meant even minor issues required extensive labor, driving up costs. Depreciation hit hard, with resale values plummeting due to its reputation for high maintenance expenses. Owning one outside of warranty often meant spending more on repairs than the car was worth. For those seeking luxury, the 7 Series delivered, but at an outrageous price in upkeep. Number 9. Ford Focus, the faulty transmission. The 2012 to 2016 Ford Focus became infamous for its disastrous power-shift transmission. Slipping, shuddering, and complete failure were common, making driving an unpredictable nightmare. Owners faced lawsuits against Ford as the company struggled to fix the defective design. Many cars remained nearly undrivable despite multiple software updates and recall attempts. Some drivers reported dangerous stalling or hesitation while accelerating, increasing safety risks. Resale values plummeted as word spread about its reliability issues, making it hard to sell. Even those who wanted to trade it in found dealerships hesitant to take them. What could have been a solid compact car was ruined by one of the worst transmission designs in modern history. Number 10. Chevy Cruze. The coolant killer. The Chevy Cruze from the early 2010s was plagued by major cooling system failures, leading to overheating and engine damage. Coolant leaks were so frequent that many owners faced complete engine failures if the issue wasn't caught in time. Turbocharged models suffered from premature turbo failure, adding another expensive problem to the list. Transmission issues led to rough shifting and unexpected breakdowns, making reliability a major concern. Many owners reported constant check engine lights due to failing sensors and electronic glitches. Plastic engine components degraded quickly, resulting in frequent and costly replacements. The Cruze quickly gained a reputation as a car that would leave drivers stranded. While it was meant to be an affordable sedan, its frequent mechanical issues made it anything but budget-friendly. So there you have it, the most unreliable cars ever made. If you've ever owned one of these, let us know your horror stories in the comments. And if you're thinking about buying one, maybe reconsider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Discord for more car content.